Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSC Tech. In today's video I will teach you how you can fix a USB not displayed problem on Windows 10, Windows 11 as well as on Windows 8.1. Very simple and straightforward guys, and you should be able to fix this within 60 odd seconds. So let's dive into it and see how this is being done. First thing you need to do is go inside your search area, and in this section you need to type FOR. That's the easiest way for you to follow. Then you will see this create and format hard disk partitions. You can also access this from within the control panel section, and now we are inside the disk management area. So you can see some details here. For example, this drive which was not displayed and found by the system, but it's listed here within these volume labels. So if we look at disk O, and that has a partition and drive letter, and if you look at C, that also has a drive letter and partition. But unfortunately, due to the error or problem or whatever reason, the Windows 7 USB, which has failed to display drive letters and the partition itself. So the solution is basically you need to select the drive, right click, and then select change drive letter and paths. And after that, you have to click on the add button, which you can see on my screen. Once you do that, you will see add drive letter or path, and we are almost there. And then you can select the drive letter from here, whatever you like. In my case, I will select T, and then click OK, and there you go. Your device will appear on your desktop, and this will fix your problem. As an additional tip, what we are going to do is we are going to disconnect the USB and connect it again, just to make sure that it's available to view, and then we will format that and repeat the same process. We can change the drive letter from here to USB 3.1 and then enable quick format and click on start, or whatever drive letter you want to change it, and click OK. Should take roughly 5 to 10 seconds, and then you will have a brand new USB. And following the format, its part is complete. We will disconnect and connect it again with one of the USB drives, and there you go. You have a brand new empty USB flash drive. Remember, this process will erase all your data on your device, so unfortunately there's no way to recover it. Like this video helps you out in any way, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow and share. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.